Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you an update on the Traxxas Drag Slash. Before we get too much further, I just wanted to say thank you very much for joining me for yet another video. Now with that out of the way, let's get to it. Traxxas has been so nice to give us yet another update on the Traxxas Drag Slash. This time they're announcing a new feature with the Traxxas Stability Management System. If you're unfamiliar with the Traxxas Stability Management System, or TSM for short, this system is a gyro stabilization system that will help maintain a stable car. This system will put minor steering corrections in while you begin to slide. This system is adjustable and can be very sensitive or very subtle depending on how you've set that setting. In this photo, you can see that Traxxas is showing how the vehicle may be more stable using the TSM system versus how it will be if you turn the system off. The new feature that they're announcing is that there is a standard mode, which is the traditional TSM, but there is also a drag race mode where you can turn the TSM off while you're accelerating, and the TSM will be on while you're braking. This can be very beneficial if you're experiencing symptoms where your vehicle wants to spin out when you apply the brakes. This photo is showing that you have complete control of the TSM system while using the multifunction knob. So obviously there will be some settings in here that will allow you to use the drag race mode or the standard mode or just turn it off completely. Now curiously, this does seem to be a 3-channel radio, so naturally I'm wondering if this is for the TSM or if there's some other new feature that they're going to announce. And for that, we'll just have to wait and see. Well, this is a pretty quick update this time, and hopefully this has benefited you in some way. If it has, consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more updates on the Traxxas Drag Slash as they're available, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. That way you can get notifications when the new content goes up. And make sure you go back and do that for all of your subscriptions. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this time, and I hope to see you in the next one.